That's beautiful. Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. Dossier reached out to me and sent me, if you remember a couple months back, I had did a review on one of their other fragrances, and this is going to be the Florental Almond. This is actually comparable to the Carolina Herrera Good Girl fragrance. It comes packaged like this. It says iconic scents, design quality, no markups. Looks like that. Very sleek. Looks like this. It has a magnetic top so you don't lose it, so you can carry this with you. Also in your box you get this little card here. It says the top notes is almond peach, middle notes is orris orange blossom, burger rose, base notes is tonka bean, vanilla coca. It's inspired by Carolina Herrera Good Girl Eau de Parfum. Love a good perfume. The concentrate is 50%. The thank you on here is our mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. A great way to find different scents. Thank you for giving us a try. And how it works is your Dossier order has arrived and now it's time to test out your new perfume. Do you love the smell? How does it feel on your skin? If you're not in love, you're always able to return your bottle. Simply head to the returns page on dossier.co to create a return label and ship it back to us. We got you covered. How about the customer service on that if you don't like it? And ooh, that's beautiful. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all the expenses and famous brand tax. They also have a risk-free system allowing customers to try perfumes before committing to them. If you decide to return your scent, you're offered a standard 30-day return period in which customers can return any unsealed 50 ml, these are 50 ml Dossier perfume, and get a full refund. No questions asked. Dossier has a welcome offer up to 20% on their website. You can get up to 30% off for your first purchase by using my discount code, which will be on the screen. That's lasheavibez10. The extra 10% applies at the checkout on top of the welcome offer. Please mention it as main elements you are interested in. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. Keep the exact same quality, cutting all the expenses and infamous brand tax. They have a risk-free system allowing customers to try fragrances before committing to them. If they decide to return the scents, they offer a standard 30-day period in which the customer can return any unsealed 50 ml perfume and a full refund. If you don't know what fragrance you're interested in, they do have a questionnaire on their website where they will give you recommendations just based on what you love. And everything smells so amazing and quite equivalent to its store brand. But as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.